guys, welcome to another video. If you watch my last two videos, I've been doing this whole thing like matching my eyes to my nails, and that's exactly what I'm doing again on this video. As you can see, it's very dramatic, but my nails are very not dramatic, but they're dark, and I'm using the OPI nail polish. I don't have it right in front of me, but I'll post it here somewhere, or here somewhere, the name of it. And on top of that, I'm using the Unicorn Skin from Holo Taco, and I'm using this one. This is the Aurora Unicorn Skin. This one right here. And that's Nyla. So yeah, that's what I did, and I am very pleased with the outcome. I think it looks not exactly like my nails, but I really do like the way it turned out. So if you want to see how I created this look, let's watch the video. I'm gonna start out with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to prime my eyelids and really cover them to have a clean canvas for all the colors that we're going to use today. And this look is going to get super messy because I'm using a lot of color. I'm using a lot of glitter and sparkly eyeshadow today, so I really do recommend that you do your eyes first and do the rest of your face last up. That way you can easily clean up anything that you have on your face. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of setting powder just to make sure it doesn't crease. I have very oily eyelids, and if I don't set the concealer, it will definitely crease. I'm going to start out with the Nude Huda Beauty palette. You definitely don't have to use this palette. You can use whatever palettes you have, just similar colors. And I'm going to start out with this one right here. This is Tease, and I'm going to put this all over the outer corner and into the crease. So I'm going to start out right here, starting with a light color and then building it up to a more intense color. And I will use tape this time because I really do want this line to be really sharp. But before I add tape, I want to see where I want that line. So I'm going to start out with a piece of paper, and let's start right here. And if that looks, yeah, I think that looks good right there. Now I can put the tape on there. Now I'm going to go in with these two right here. I'm just going to mix those two. These are called Love Bite, and then this one is called Spanked. So I'm just going to mix those two together like that and add it on the same area just to intensify that color. I'm gonna grab a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with the Tarte palette, and I'm grabbing this one right here. This is such a beautiful glitter shimmery shade right here. This is called Graphic, and I'm gonna grab my brush and add this on the inner corner. I'm sorry, the outer corner right here, just to add more depth and of course more sparkle. And with a different brush, I know I'm using a lot of brushes, but I'm gonna grab a different brush and kind of blend those colors together. And you just gotta take your time right here because you're using a lot of colors and they're very bright, so you just gotta be patient and blend until it looks good. And the brush I'm using to blend that is the e.l.f. blending eye brush, and it's so good. It's small like this, and what you want to do is just grab this and like bring it up. The e.l.f. brushes are really good if you're looking for inexpensive brushes. So as you keep blending, this shadow right here has a little bit of a sparkle. You see that? It's so beautiful, but the more you blend, the less you're gonna see that sparkle. So at the very end, I'm gonna grab my finger and put some on there. You'll see that when we're done with everything. In the meantime, just keep blending, and if you feel like you lost any of the pink color, purplish color, just go back and add more to that. So I'm gonna grab the same two colors that I was mixing right here, and just gonna go in very lightly, just to make sure we don't lose it all the way. Now I'm gonna grab another clean flat brush like this, and I'm gonna use this to cut the crease, and I'm gonna be using the same concealer that I used to prime my lids, and go ahead and cut the crease. And this, I think this brush is from Michaels. Alright, so let's start right on the inner corner and bring it up. With my finger, I'm gonna blend that concealer into the outer corner, just like so. Now back to the Tarte palette. I'm grabbing this beautiful blue right here. This is called Artist, and with my finger, I'm just gonna tap that on there. Back with graphic with my finger, add it right there on the inner corner to blend those colors together. I keep saying inner corner and it's outer corner. I don't know why I mix them up all the time. And then you see that the sparkle comes to life when you add it with your finger, just like that. I think that's pretty. I'm gonna add more purple right here. So now that both eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these right here. I'm gonna clean up and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. Actually, before I do that, I want to add this Hypnotic Lights by Milani. This is called Prismatic Light, and it's such a beautiful blue. Look at that. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. It's just like, it's foil. It's like liquid foil, and it's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna add that on. Oh, look at that. It's just so beautiful. Okay, I know I said that multiple times, but it is. And I am gonna blend it with my finger. Gorgeous. Holy crap, I love it. Just on the center, like so, and then blend it out. Just the way the light hits it is so beautiful. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the eyes. It's amazing how different everything looks once everything is on. I just have the finishing touches that I have to do. So I'm gonna use another Milani Hypnotic lights. This is called prismatic. Oh no, this is called beaming light, and I'm gonna add that on the inner corner right here just to add light. And of course more sparkle, because why not? Like that. That might be too light. Actually, I like that. And I kind of want to add the Glitter Brillants by NYX. And let me see. I'm not going to add glitter glue to it. I'm just gonna grab a small brush, and because the prismatic light is a little bit wet, I'm gonna see if it'll stick. There we go. Yeah, just be careful not to get it in your eye. So I'm just gonna add it right there. Ooh, so pretty. And of course I got all over my face, but that's okay, we'll clean it up after. Alright, now for eyeliner, I'm going to use a purple eyeliner. This is from the Sephora brand, and this is called Purple Stilettos, and it's such a beautiful eyeliner. I've used it in the past and I love it, so I'm going to use it today. And I'm gonna grab an angled brush like this just to kind of blend that eyeliner out. I'm gonna grab this pink one right here and add it on the lower lash. That might be too pink. No, that's good. Alright, let's get this glitter off my face. I'm gonna grab a piece of tape and I'm gonna stick it on the back of my hand so it's not too sticky. And I'm gonna use this to grab the glitter that fell on my face. There we go. Alright, that's better. For mascara, this is the only mascara I have right now. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I really do love this mascara. I like how it really pulls your lashes all the way up, and I am going to be using the Ardell Whispies eyelashes. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It looks a lot bluer than my nails. My nails look more purple, but I really like the way it turned out. It has a lot of glitter, it has a lot of color, It's very dramatic, and I will highly recommend that if you are trying to recreate a look like this, to do your eyes before you do the rest of your face. I personally like doing my eyes last, because when I do the eyes first, everything looks so messy and I kind of just want to give up, you know. But everything comes together once you clean it up, once your makeup is on, concealer, eyelashes, everything comes together and it just looks so much better, you know. So you just kind of have to trust the process. But yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.